Congratulations to Anambra State government. Video, but a little bit about this 400,000 and Anambra winning. Now all the labels that now Anambra State wins 400,000 at the primary healthcare leadership challenge. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now we venture kowalagi maka ife akete mana ndị na-achị mụ na gị na bụ ha na-adịba quick to celebrate this kind of thing. We try to ịkọwala mụ na gị na ba na-achị the purpose of this thing keta. Do you understand me? Na ifuru ife anụnwa abụrụkwa na Anambra State Hospital nọ na world standard. Ọ bụkwa state yo. If a primary health center mean ebo, that your community health center. The family of money compared to other states in Nigeria or if you family. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now this $400,000 kete for winning keta more factory or improve na those areas community village gas need first aid and the health center or a bigger suppose Gane. More that na one bar for to improve your upgrade our community health centers. And again, one mountain, so they can jogi that your village, that's your community, that's a primary health center they can say above on a functional properly. If you take bath, aga attend the mugi. You man Nigeria work and Nigeria. Do you understand what I'm saying? That primary health care they got na town, okay, na village gi. Onweketa ka isi nwetu beat health challenge. Ebute ga ebe ahụ nwere nurse nọ there, nwere doctor nọ there, onwegodoro any equipment dị there. A ga-ejigodo nega anya before ewekwuwe eziokwu ije na bigger hospital. Do you understand what I'm saying? So can happen in that in the news akita is all about hospital in a state, Anambra State, and is they are doing well or is functioning properly. One name I am world standard hospital. The entire southeast in the put me anywhere. Obo no de anumanu rumon na from ebe adiola post to the thing for every dark man na third man of this country Nigeria mbo Akpabio na rush out because there is no standard again hospital. I am with a good health system na Nigeria mana we need a primary health care. Anambra winning is a welcome development. But this show I suppose all those areas, rural areas, all these community hospital, hospital on our functional properly.